In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Mobirise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to adjust fonts for headings, paragraphs, buttons, and menus, and how to bring in additional typefaces to match your brand. First, open your browser and head to Mobirise Online. On the login page, choose Sign in with Google. This is the quickest way to get into your account without typing anything sensitive, and it brings you straight to your projects. Select your Google account and continue. Once you're in, open the project you want to style. Look toward the interface for the Edit Styles icon, which looks like a little paintbrush. Click it to open the design controls. This panel is where global visual settings live, so any changes you make here can update your site consistently. Inside the panel, go to the Fonts section. You'll see options grouped by the type of text used across your site, such as headings, paragraph text, menus, and buttons. Use the drop-down to pick the kind of text you want to modify. As you try different fonts, keep an eye on your preview so you can judge readability and overall feel in context. A common best practice is to pair a strong, distinctive font for headings with a clean, highly legible font for body copy. Also consider weights and spacing. A regular or medium weight is often easier to read for paragraphs, while bold can add emphasis to titles. If you want to set things globally, switch to Site Styles. This is the place to make universal choices for your project so you don't have to repeat the same edits block by block. Applying fonts here helps keep your typography consistent across pages, which saves time and prevents mismatches. Need a font that isn't listed by default? Choose Add Font. This lets you bring in additional typefaces so your site can reflect your brand guidelines more closely. When adding, it's a good idea to include the core styles you'll actually use, like regular and bold, to keep performance snappy. If you'd like to explore a larger catalog, click More Fonts. This opens up many additional options so you can test alternatives without leaving the editor. Try a few on headings and paragraph text, check legibility on both desktop and mobile views, and aim for good contrast with your background colors. That's it. You logged into Mobirise Online, opened the paintbrush icon to access styles, went to fonts, selected the text types to change, adjusted site-wide settings and site styles, and used Add Font and More Fonts to expand your choices. With these tools, you can craft typography that looks polished, reads clearly, and stays consistent across your entire site.